มืองไทยแล้วมาอยู่เมืองไทยหลายปีผมรักเมืองไทยแล้วมาอยู่เมืองไทยแล้วก็ตั้งนานหลายปีติดอกชอบใจสาวเมืองไทยเนี่ยก็ดูสวยดีชอบไปเที่ยวพัทยาเดินไปเดินมาเจอแต่ของดีๆไทยแลนด์แลนด์ออฟสมัยฝรั่งชอบใจ very happy ชอบตุกชอบเที่ยววัดติดใจแล้วครับไม่อยากกลับแล้วสิชอบตุกชอบเที่ยววัดติดใจแล้วครับไม่อยากกลับแล้วสิ
Alright guys, right now we're heading to Imminent Air Boxing Gym. We're about 2 minutes away. But I mean, Ram and I, we both got like 1 to 2 hours of sleep last night. So we cracked down like, I think 5 coffees at this point, already within the first 2 hours of being up. Because, I mean, for myself, last night I was pretty bored. So I just walked 2 hours randomly in Bangkok. And 2 eventful things happened. First off, when I crossed the bridge to get towards the inner city of Bangkok, I was like looking down one of the alleys and there was this like lady walking out. She was like, hey, come here. And then she walked out, started groping me, and she was a solid 2 out of 10. And yeah, I was just like, no thank you, I'm just going for a walk. And then she was like, 100 baht sucky. And I was like, And that just goes to show like cheap things usually aren't good. You might as well stick with the expensive ones. But then the next eventful thing that happened was when I was walking back, I was walking down a corridor, and it was like a very tight passageway. It was like a shortcut on the way back home. I should have chose the long way, but I was feeling lazy. So like, let me just walk 20 minutes home instead of 25 minutes home. But paid for that very well. I was walking down the corridor, and on the other side it was pitch black, but then I saw like 12 figures kind of just pop up, and it turns out it was just 12 dogs waiting for me on the other side. So I started just backing up slowly, but then they all started barking, walking at me very aggressively. So I just started like jogging a little bit. And then when I walked out the other side of that corridor, there's even more dogs.
I cannot go. You stop here.
Oh yeah, it's good, it's good.
Thank you.
Alright guys, looks like we've arrived. So end of the story, we are here. See you guys inside. Have a good day. Very local gym, not that touristy. So we're gonna get warming up first, do some jump rope, some stretches, and then we're gonna do some pad work maybe some training, and then possibly get into some sparring as well. So I'll see you guys in there. Alright guys, as you can see right here, it's 7:30 a.m. for us right now. We're supposed to be doing a 10K. Apparently that's why no one is here quite yet, so we're waiting on them to get done with their run. We might be supposed to be running as well, but cardio, like 10K like that, is a low test activity. If you really want to speed up the cardio process, just drink 5 coffees, and you're basically just doing cardio standing up. So that's what we're doing right now. And then we're gonna get into some shadow boxing, which is like 10 minutes, bag work, pad work, sparring, clinching, weight training. I'm down to do some of that. Strength and conditioning. And then afterwards, you and I and Ram, we're gonna go do an ice bath, down some eggs, tan a bit, and yeah, I think that should be it, guys. So we're doing our cardio right now. Cheers. Boom. Alright guys, we're turning this 10K into a 15K with this one magic pill right here. It's Madafi. So we're gonna pop one of these. Now we've just done a 15K without even running 1K. That was a little bit hard to swallow, no homo. Kind of like got stuck in the throat, but we got it in. So now we got 15 kilometers down, waiting for everyone else to catch up, and then we'll start the bag work. Muay Thai cat.
Oh my goodness.
He's got his tail got kicked off. I'm actually allergic to cats, but with modafinil, all the effects of the allergic reactions are canceled. Right, kitty cat. Who's a good little cat?
If you had to pick one to fight by your side, are you picking a stray cat or a stray dog?
I'll say a stray cat, just because like I feel like they're more strategic. Like the dog would just run in with you, but the cat he would like sneak up behind and then just attack from the neck.
Yeah.
He's about to pounce on you guys.
1, 2, 4, up, knee, right elbow, right kick, right kick, right punch, speed 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right kick power, right kick power, right kick power, right kick power, right punch, right kick, right punch, elbow, knee, kick, kick, punch, punch, right step inside, left kick, again kick, punch, elbow, knee, yep, 1, 2, 4, up, knee, elbow, speed 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, power punch 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, water.
How you feeling so far, Ryan?
I'm not even in my body anymore. I'm playing from 3D perspective,
Third person.
mashing the buttons.
Right kick, right punch, 1, 2, up, right knee, elbow, right back, left kick, again, one, punch, up punch, left jab, left hand quick, 1, 1, 2, 4, up. Now left speed 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same, right 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, water. One more boxing.
Guys, once you guys conquer the minds and surpass the limits, being tired is a thing of the past. You just keep getting more and more warmed up, and the more you work, the more you try, the easier it gets, and the less tired you become. This isn't feeding activities or anything.
This is what the Thai cats do at night when they're scrounging for food.
Alright guys, it seems Daphne's wearing off. That's where this comes in. Sponsor. It's kind of like Gatorade but better. Probably got more electrolytes. It tastes like medicine. Refueling up. I think we're doing some bag work. Possibly some sparring if someone's willing to spar. And then we got ice baths coming up soon. And then possibly some pad thai to recover, replenish, and then maybe take a nap. So that's the update for you guys. Haven't lost any brain cells yet, but we've definitely lost some health bars in terms of cardio. That's good, Cup. It's behind. It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Cup. Welcome to the ice house. Gotta take some fucking shit.
Do it in the ice bath.
Brown ice bath.
Yeah. Chocolate river.
That's some Indian activities.
Yeah. Chocolate river.
Should I ask for a discount?
You can try.
Hello. Hi, John. You don't have a reservation today, right? This is the first time for both of you to come here. Could you please scan the QR code here? It's like the register form for online.
Together.
Together.
Can I have discounts?
The scan?
No, not discounts. That's all good.
Okay.
I need to do my research. We're in the jungle, baby. Really not feeling this ice bath, but it's gotta be done. I'm gonna wake up, got a coaching call in about an hour. So I might just do a few rounds, maybe 2 or 3, dial in, get the dopamine back to baseline, wake up a little bit, down to another coffee, and then conquer the coaching call, and then, yeah, probably get a massage. Might get a happy beginning. Should be like 2 minutes. That should be good.
Is your body giving any objections?
Yeah. It's definitely the coldest ice bath I've been in.
Yeah, it's legit.
Where's the sunlight? Maybe over here is better, actually. Oh my goodness. I feel like Andrew Huberman, the Iceman.
That's Wim Hof.
Yeah, Wim Hof. Modafinil, coffee, ice bath. I think we have all the stimulants in the world combined. Any math problem, any problem you may have in life, hit me up. I'll solve it right now. Alright guys, we're a little bit more dialed in now. Energy levels have risen. So now we're gonna go in the sauna, drain away the broke thoughts, sweat them away, and acquire the abundance mindset. We got some ambient music in here. About to go talk to Buddha, guys. Be right back.
No, the first round.
Cheers, guys. Well, guys, it's been an absolute banger of a morning. We woke up, 1 hour of sleep, popped the modafinil, drank like 5 coffees, hit Muay Thai. Very, very good for the limited amount of sleep that we had, and then crushed some ice baths, coaching call, and then I think we have a few sales calls lined up for today, some follow-ups that good old Ram is setting up with. And then I think we're going to Tribe, so might take you guys long, might not. It might just be more of like a chill vibe with my girlfriend, my friend, and his girlfriend, a double date type of thing. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today just as much as I've enjoyed today. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so for the post-recovery meal, we're going to down 10 eggs, plus we're going to add some creatine to the mix as well, just to maximize the gains, get the energy levels 10x'd, so we can go about the rest of this Saturday with like 1 to 2 hours of sleep. It's an absolute cheat code. So let's go ahead and get cracking. Yep. Got those. Trace. Butter. Go. Six. Get it. Ojo. Ready. And yes. Hopefully there's no eggshells in there, but if there is, our throat is gonna get a little bit scratched up. We're gonna get a little boost of collagen. But yeah, it won't be that bad. So now that we have the 10 eggs in there, we can add, of course, some creatine. Maybe like a little bit more than 1 scoop. So like a scoop and a half. So here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but a hefty scoop. Put that in there. We're gonna let it kind of sink a little bit so that way we're not just getting a mouthful of powder. And after I drink this, I'm gonna do what I like to call the Navy SEALs nap, where it's like 10 to 15 minutes. You just put your feet above your heart. So like maybe like I lay in the bed and I put my feet against the wall just for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then afterwards, it just feels like you slept for like 2 to 3 hours. So it's just like an exponential nap in 10 to 15 minutes. So that way we can conquer the rest of today, especially with the eggs. They're very quick digesting, especially when you eat them raw. So it should be like 10 minutes when you start, you know, sleeping, and then the eggs should be hitting right then. Then we can wake up and go about the rest of the day. But as you guys can see, maybe the eggs and the creatine has mixed very, very well. So all that's left to do is to down these bad boys. Now, usually I like to do it all in one go, but sometimes like these last few days have been quite rusty in terms of downing the eggs. So we might have to do it in two goes, but we'll try to do it in one, especially for you guys, to show you guys how it's done. So without further ado, cheers. Bam. Whoa. Alright. We're gonna that was that post-credit scene. That was like the deleted footage. So if you guys have stuck around to this part, hopefully you guys aren't throwing up right now, because I know I'm about to. But we're gonna hold it in. We got some coconut water, so we're gonna get this taste fleshed out with some yummy coconut water. But without wasting any more of you guys' time, that's it for the video. Finally, after a very wonderful morning. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.